One of the challenges in 3D printing is the time it takes to print a part. HP's multi-jet fusion can produce parts 10 times faster than any other technology in the marketplace with strength. This chain link was printed in under 30 minutes, weighs about 1/4 pound. It can lift up to 10,000 pounds. In fact, I'm so confident that we are going to lift my favorite car using this chain link. That's Jake, who designed and printed this chain link. Hey, Jake.
Hey, boss. How's it going?
Excellent. Hey, is that a 95 Avalon?
It is. You know, I've had it forever. Good eye.
That's my favorite car. Let's do this!
Wait, do what?
Look at that. How's it looking? Looking good. Looking good. Nice job. That's the way, man.